What is cited as a concern of central banks in most countries with respect to the Basel III Accord? Where do we have this reference? It is the second paragraph that discusses Basel III, and the third paragraph towards the end says that regulators and central banks in most countries have indicated that increasing the risk reserve may negatively affect their regular operations. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, adverse impact on everyday banking. Yes, this is what the passage refers to, regular operations of banks. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice B, difficulty in implementing the Basel III Accord. The second paragraph mentions that most countries in the developing world have failed to implement most of the provisions of Basel III. So it can be inferred that implementing the provisions of Basel III is difficult. However, this concern is not cited as a concern highlighted by the regulators and central banks, whereas the question asks about the concern of central banks. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice C, incompatibility between their own policies and Basel III risk management protocols. In the context of the concern raised by the central banks, the passage makes no suggestion regarding incompatibility. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, lack of addressing the issues associated with the capital ratios of banks. The second paragraph has a reference to the capital ratios of financial institutions, but this is not a concern cited by central banks. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, inability to define the level of risks according to Basel III. In the context of the concern raised by central banks, the passage makes no such suggestion. So this answer choice can be eliminated. A is the correct answer.